creating a world using Sapphire to power change, manufacturing semiconductors by resident Indians. Welcome to Polymatech, shaping the future of technology, creating semiconductors for large-scale lightings, automobiles, medical electronics, high-power LEDs to space shuttles, marking our presence everywhere. Our Opto semiconductors are rigorously tested and powered for unbeatable durability, which brings new convenience to attain previously impossible problems, bringing the power of technology, excellence, imagination, and creating a brand legacy. India, pushing boundaries of possibilities and innovating a brighter tomorrow. Semiconductors from India, now from Polymatech.